choose a slot to use. Why not try a dot to dot? Talking parrot. Pepper and George love to play. Win a sticker for every press the squares to make a silly. Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Try another one. George is a funny banana.
George is a funny banana.
Try another one. George is a funny car.
George is a funny car.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a blue monkey.
Danny Dog is a blue monkey.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a big pig.
Daddy Pig is a big pig.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a green pumpkin.
Rebecca Rabbit is a green pumpkin.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a yellow yo-yo.
Rebecca Rabbit is a yellow yo-yo.
Try another one. Keep going, you've almost won a sticker. Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Pepper and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs. Can you see your score? Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Susie Sheep. Mrs. Duck. Susie Sheep. That's excellent. Zoe Zebra. Teddy. Zoe Zebra. That's excellent. Mrs. Duck. Great. Teddy. That's it. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Pepper and George love to play. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You're very good at counting. There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture. The stickers. There are lots. Where's Polly? Oh dear. Where's Polly? Help Pepper and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Where could she be? Try the garden. Where could she be? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Where could she be? You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Where could she be? Try the garden. You've found her. Polly, where are you? Are you sure? Where's Polly? Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found Polly. Polly, where are you? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Try again. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found her. Polly, where are you? Well done. You've won a stick. Are you sure? There are lots of fun. Feed Polly. Pepper and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct. What a great score!
Polly wants 2 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Are you sure? Are you sure? There are stickers. Make a lovely picture with... What a smashing picture. That looks lovely. Are you sure? There are...
Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot. There are lots. Talking parrot. Peppa, win a sticker for every 10. Press the squares